we will take 150 grams of the wheat flour. So this is approximately 1 cup, 1 measuring cup, in which I will add a half a teaspoon of salt and very little black pepper. So this is a time, if anybody likes spice, they can even add red chili powder, turmeric. So now we have to make a dough. We'll mix these ingredients together. This is just a simple paratha we are going to make. We have taken 1 cup of water and we'll add little water to make the dough. So now I am wearing my rings. I'll remove my rings. Wash my hand properly, which I have already done, and now I'll start making the dough. As and when required, we need to add little water into it so that we can make the knead dough. You have to knead it properly, pressing and collecting, and then again to start pressing it. So this is how the dough is being knead properly. See, this is a soft dough which is ready with us. Can add little bit of oil, half a teaspoon of oil. Grease it properly. This will give a very good texture to the dough, and the dough will be very soft. See, our dough is ready now. We will keep the dough to rest for few minutes. Cover it and rest it. We have used 3/4 cup of water. This much water is remaining with us. So now, after 15 minutes, you can see our dough has rested and it has become softer and very nice. So we need to take a part of this dough, make a ball of it, we need to apply some dry flour. This is the same wheat flour with which we have made this dough. This is a rolling board and this is a rolling pin. So with this we have to roll and make it flatten chapati. We call it chapati. So just see like this. On this we need to add little bit of ghee. Ghee is the processed butter. You need to apply some butter on it, and I'm going to make oregano paratha. So I will add some oregano. You just see some oregano on it, and a pinch of carom seeds. it will give a very good taste to this paratha. We'll mix it and then we'll fold it. We can fold it like this to give a triangle shape. We can fold it like this to give a square shape, or we can fold it like this to give a round shape. Just see. So right now I'm going to make this round shape paratha. In India it is known as lachha paratha also. We'll apply a bit of dry flour and then we'll again make a chapati. We'll roll it and roll it. So this is the time you can even put some cheese if required along with oreganos, so it will make as a cheese paratha. You can even put some sort of a vegetable in it, so that vegetable paratha, that will be a stuffed vegetable paratha. So see, I made it round in shape. So on the stove I have kept a pan. This is flattened pan on which we make dosas and we make chapatis. Dosa is a salty pancake which is made up of rice and some pulses. We'll put little flour in it to see the heat of this pan. So it is still in white in color, so I think this needs to be heated little more to put our chapati on it. You can see the smoke coming out of it, and this has turned into little brown, so we'll remove this flour and then we'll put this chapati on it. Let us turn the flame into medium. See, you can see little bubbles coming on the top of it. So this is the right time for us to turn this, flip this paratha like this. You can see it's little brown. The same way you can see the bubbles coming here also. See the brown color. So this is the right time when we apply some butter or some oil on it. Flip it. A little more butter from the other side. You can see our paratha is ready now. The paratha is ready now to serve. We'll serve it with some pickle and some butter on it. So our paratha is ready. You can see. So this is oregano caram paratha with Amul butter. Amul butter is very famous in India and one of our very tasty butter, salted butter. And this is the pickle, and this pickle is Neetu's pickle, special Neetu's pickle. So please try this recipe. I'm sure you are going to like it. Stein, this is something favorite of yours. So please try this recipe at home and let me know how you like it. We all are missing you. You take care. Bye. Have a nice day. Merry Christmas to all of you. If you like this video, please like it, share it and subscribe it.